To fix the 1095A error in TurboTax, follow this quick troubleshooting guide. The 1095A form is used to report health insurance coverage and is required for tax filing. If you encounter an error, it may be due to incorrect or missing information. First, ensure you have received your 1095A form from your health insurance provider. If you have not received the form, contact your provider to obtain a copy. Once you have the form, review it for accuracy, checking your name, address, and health insurance coverage details. Next, open your TurboTax account and navigate to the health insurance section. Select the option to import or manually enter your 1095A information. If importing, ensure the file is in the correct format and upload it to TurboTax. If manually entering, carefully type in the required information from your 1095A form. Common errors include incorrect policy numbers, coverage dates, or dependent information. Double-check your 1095A form to ensure the information matches what you have entered into TurboTax. If you have multiple 1095A forms, ensure you have entered all required information for each form. If you continue to encounter errors, try deleting and re-entering the 1095A information. This can sometimes resolve formatting or technical issues. Additionally, check for any software updates or maintenance notifications from TurboTax, as these may impact the functionality of the health insurance section. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, consider contacting TurboTax support for assistance. They can provide personalized guidance and help resolve the error. It is also recommended to consult the official TurboTax website or user manual for detailed instructions on fixing the 1095A error. By following these steps and double-checking your information, you should be able to fix the 1095A error in TurboTax and complete your tax filing accurately and efficiently. Remember to stay organized, review your information carefully, and seek help when needed to ensure a smooth tax filing experience.